So, brother, could you introduce yourself? I can know you better.
Okay. My name is Lal Murmu. I am from Jharkhand. There are 5 members in my family. I have 4 siblings, 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
Yes.
If I talk about my education, I am a nursing student, and my hobby, I like playing football.
Yes.
That's all about me.
Oh, thank you, brother. Actually, you are pursuing your nursing.
Nursing.
Yes, yes. So, English is very important for their field, for your field.
Yes. Yes.
So, brother,
that's why I am learning this language.
Yes. So, how long have you been practice English?
I started my speaking before 1 month.
1 month before.
After that, yes. After that, I read some grammar rules.
Yes. Grammar is a foundation of any language. So, if you know grammar, then it is very easy for you, and your sentence structure will be affordable. Not affordable, it is smooth. When someone hear your sound, they feel that his English is good. So grammar is important, but at the beginning level, we need our fluency, because we are not fluency to speak in English at the initial stage. So grammar also important. Even practice is very important. So you just work on your fluency. At the beginning level, fluency is very important. So, brother,
Yes.
You are pursuing your nursing. It is a government college or private college?
Private college.
Oh, private college.
Yes,
So it is your first year or second year?
Second year.
Oh,
this is my second year.
Oh, you are second year student.
I got my first year exam. I passed somehow. I passed.
Yeah. So, brother, how is weather in Jharkhand?
I don't know, because now I am in Hyderabad.
Oh, right now you are in Hyderabad.
Yes.
So, how is the weather of Hyderabad right now?
Weather is cool.
Yeah.
Weather is cool in my side. And I want to know you also. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah.
After that.
So, my name is Zakir Hossain. I am belong from West Bengal, and I am working in West Bengal Police. I have completed my 7 years service in police. If I talk about my family member, in my family, my parents, my brother, me, and my wife, also 6 member. Even my daughter, she is 3 years old now. That's all about.
Okay, nice. So now you are in police station.
No, not police station. It is a battalion.
Battalion means?
Like battalion, police, district police battalion, like Jharkhand Armed Police. Are you heard about Jharkhand Armed Police?
No, I not.
Jharkhand have battalion. You don't know that, but every state has state armed police.
Yes.
So I have completed my 7 years service in police.
Okay. So now your duty is over. What is your duty time?
So right now my duty is over, and I have duty at midnight, at 1 a.m.
Oh, okay.
So, brother, what type of problem actually you are facing for learning English? Can you share your journey?
Okay. I faced a lot of problem, because this is my basic level. Just I started to learn English.
Yes. It is also my basic level. In Hyderabad, every person speak in English, especially in your work professional side.
Yes. In my college friend and teacher also, they speak English.
Yes. And Hyderabad.
But I don't English. He talk in Hindi. talk with me in Hindi
Yes, yes.
because I don't know Hindi. That's why.
So you are actually you are newcomer in this language, especially in English. That's why they are speak in Hindi with you for your professional
yes.
purpose.
Yes, yes. But some teacher don't know English. Some teacher in my college don't know English.
Yes, yes. It is also happen every stage, especially in India. Especially in India, English is a strange language for us. That's why we are stuck when you try to speak in English, and also we have fear to speak in English. When you think that English, the grammar concept first came in our mind. That's why we are not able to speak in English. At the initial stage, you forget about grammar. You just try to speak in English.
Okay, but your English is better.
No,
Better
not
now.
better. I am also beginner like you. I am trying to improve my speaking English, but it is very difficult. As a police person, I have no partner with whom I can practice. Even I have no proper time. I work on English speaking. That's why I am also facing lot of problem. But right now, last I think 20 days ago, I heard about this app. It is provided by Microsoft Team. So
Okay.
lady, one girl who joined me in this group, and he suggested me when you join in this group, a lot of beginner available there, and you can speak with them, and you can improve your speaking English. And even it is my first time, and that time I connected with her in through Skype application. But right now Skype application is not available.
Yes, yes. What happened Skype application?
It is the problem of Microsoft, because Skype provided by Microsoft, but they are stopped Skype application. They are providing Team application. It is also a Skype Team application.
Yes, yes.
So brother,
Okay.
can you sharing any interesting topic and happen with you in Hyderabad, because you are from Jharkhand, and right now you are in Hyderabad. The culture is different, situation is different. Can you explain anything about Hyderabad?
Okay, okay. I explain you in Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, people is very nice. Every people is very friendly. I like Hyderabad people.
Yes, yes. So how much facility available there? Better than Jharkhand?
Okay, better than Jharkhand in Hyderabad because this is a town area and city area.
It is also the capital of Telangana.
Yes, yes.
Hyderabad is advanced city. Right now you are pursuing nursing. So why are you choose this site? Actually, this profession. Any reason behind?
Sorry, ask me again.
So why you choose this profession? Nursing profession. Why you like nursing profession? Any reason behind?
Okay. No, there are no reason because this is